Wake up. You're late.
What time is it? It's already 8:30. 8:30? Oh no. My class starts at 9. I tried to wake you up earlier. Oh no, I overslept. Come on, get up. Hurry. Okay, I'm up. Go wash your face. I'll make coffee. Thank you, Mom. I can't find my brush. It's on the table. Oh, got it. What are you going to wear? I don't know. Maybe that white shirt? It's wrinkled. Seriously? I'll iron it quickly. You're the best. Hurry up and comb your hair. Grab your bag. Where is my bag? By the door. Oh, I see it. Your coffee is ready. I'll drink it on the way. Eat something too. No time, Mom. At least take a snack. Okay, I'll take it. Don't forget your phone. Got it. All right, go. How are you getting there? I'll call a taxi. Good idea. Let me open the app. Is it coming? Yeah, it'll be here in 3 minutes. Bye, Mom. Wait, your jacket. Oh, thanks. Be careful. I will.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Before we start, did you all finish the homework? Okay, let's check. Anna, can you answer question 3?
Question 3?
Yes, about the article we read.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't finish it.
You didn't?
I started it, but I didn't have time to finish.
Why not?
I overslept this morning and had to rush to class.
All right, but this is not the first time, Anna.
I know, I'm really sorry.
You need to manage your time better.
Yes, I will, I promise.
Okay, please make sure it's done for next class.
I will, thank you.
Anyone who did finish it? Good. Let's hear from you.
I can answer.
Go ahead.
You're lucky he didn't get mad. Yeah, I need to wake up earlier tomorrow.
Finally, classes are over. Yeah, I'm so tired. Are you going home now? No, I have work. Oh, right, you work as a waiter. Yes, my shift starts soon. That's a long day, school and work. I know, but I need the money. Respect, don't forget to eat. I'll try. See you later. Bye. Good luck.
You're just in time.
Sorry, I came as fast as I could.
It's okay. We're busy today.
I'm ready.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
can I see the menu?
Of course, here you go.
What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
Okay, I'll take that.
Would you like something to drink?
Just water, please.
Sure, I'll bring your order soon.
Can I get the check, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Cash or card?
Card.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Hi. I'm here to pick up my little brother.
Hello. Just a moment, please.
Okay.
He's in the playroom.
Thank you.
Sister,
Hi. Did you have a good day?
yes. We played games.
That's nice. Are you ready to go home?
Yes.
He was very active today.
Oh, really?
Yes, but he was a good boy.
Thank you for taking care of him.
You're welcome.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Let's go home.
I'm hungry.
Okay, we'll eat at home.
Yay.
Then he came out of the kitchen completely covered in flour and said, "Dinner's ready!" Oh no, it's funny. Did you actually eat it? You were brave. It wasn't half bad either. Cheers!
I prepared food for you.
Thank you, Mom. It looks delicious.
I'm hungry.
Of course you are. Sit down and eat.
This is really good.
So how was your day?
It was busy. I had classes and then work.
That sounds tiring.
Yes, but I learned a lot today.
What did you learn?
I practiced English and learned some new words.
That's great. Keep it up.
I played games today.
Really? That's nice.
He was very active, the teacher said.
I'm glad to hear that. What are your plans for tomorrow?
I have classes again, and I need to study more.
Good. Don't forget your responsibilities.
Yes, Mom. I also have homework to do tonight.
Then you should finish it early.
I will.
And don't stay up too late.
Okay, I'll sleep early today.
Can we play later?
Maybe a little after my homework.
First, eat your food.
Okay.
This was a good day.
I'm happy to hear that.
Hello, doctor.
Hello. Please, sit down.
My tooth hurts.
I see. Which tooth hurts?
This one.
How long does it hurt?
It hurts all day. I feel bad and tired.
Okay, don't worry. I will help you. I will check your teeth first.
Okay.
Then I will explain everything step by step.
Thank you, doctor.
Please open your mouth.
Okay.
Open a little more, please.
Ah, like this?
Yes, that's good. I can see the problem now. You have a cavity in this tooth. That's why it hurts.
Is it serious?
No, it's small. I will clean the tooth and put a filling.
Will it hurt?
No, it won't hurt. Please relax and stay still. Don't close your mouth, please. Please spit here. I will use the suction now. Don't move your head. I'm putting the filling now. Almost done. You can close your mouth now. The filling is done.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. How do you feel now?
My mouth feels numb.
That's normal.
I can't feel my tooth.
The nerve is asleep now. Brush your teeth twice a day. Don't eat sweets too much.
I understand.
I'll write you a prescription. You can get this medicine at the pharmacy. Take it only if you feel pain.
All right.
Take it after meals.
I understand. How much is the filling?
It's $50. You can pay at the front desk.
All right, thank you.
Chitchat English.